Welcome to Bizworld. I'm Farah, Nabilah, Wazer. A total of 14 memorandums of understanding, agreements, protocols and joint statement involving 9 ministries have been exchanged between Malaysia and China today. The exchange of MOUs was witnessed by Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim and China Premier Li Qiang. 2 MOUs were exchanged on strengthening investment cooperation in the digital economy and promoting investment in green development. Besides the MOUs, Malaysia and China also inked the second cycle of the Malaysia-China 5-year program for economic and trade cooperation. Under the Finance Ministry, the document exchanged was a joint statement on National Single Window for Cross-Border Trade Initiative. Last year, total trade with China was valued at more than 450 billion ringgit, contributing to 17.1% of Malaysia's global trade. The Inland Revenue Board IRB has identified several individuals and companies involved in high frequency of cryptocurrency trading transactions and will review data for potential tax implications. Its CEO, Dato' Abu Tariq Jamaluddin, said the move is an effort to curb tax revenue leakage and enhance the national tax administration.
Kita tahu bahawa dalam sesuatu keadaan jika jumlah transaksi adalah tinggi dan sebagainya, apa-apa daripada keuntungan kripto ini juga tertakluk kepada cukai.
He added that individuals engaged in cryptocurrency trading in Malaysia are liable for income tax. This includes high trading volume, which refers to transaction frequency and profitability. Recently, IRB launched Ops Token to combat tax revenue leakage in cryptocurrency trading, covering 10 locations in the Klang Valley. RHB Investment Bank has maintained its neutral rating on the consumer sector. It said the sector's first quarter results met expectations due to robust top-line growth and improving profit margin. According to the research house, the introduction of the Employees Provident Fund's EPF Account 3 and pay rise for civil servants are effective measures to support consumer spending. The pickup in tourist arrivals had also benefited the consumer retail players. On the flip side, it said uncertainty on inflationary impacts on subsidy rationalization will remain a key concern for the sector. It added the general feedback from corporates is that consumer sentiment has remained subdued given heightened inflationary pressures. Malaysia is expected to benefit from the electronics recovery in the second half of the year, given its position further down the electronics value chain. According to Oxford Economics, the electronics sector is a bright spot for Southeast Asia's economy, with the region projected to grow by 4% these 2 years. It said the recovery in global semiconductor sales saw a 15.3% year-on-year increase in the first quarter of this year. This momentum has particularly benefited countries like Malaysia and Vietnam. It also said that Malaysia's first quarter GDP growth at 4.2% showcased resilience, primarily supported by robust electronics exports. Nevertheless, it noted that the boost from the sector in Southeast Asia remains softer compared to other Asian semiconductor heavyweights like Taiwan and South Korea. Bursa Malaysia trended in a tight range for the past few sessions as investors are reluctant to make significant move. They have opted for a wait-and-see approach during the consolidation period. At 5 p.m, the FBM KLCI lost 6.34 points to 1,599.79. Market breadth was negative, with 907 losers against 341 gainers, while 451 were unchanged. Rakuten Trade Research believes that today's selling offers opportunity for investors to bargain hunt stocks at low level, especially the blue chip, and expect the FBM KLCI to rebound anytime soon. And that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Farah, Nabilah, Wazer. Keep tuning in to TV3.